We are going to a place called Gulnadi waterfalls, and this place is around just 25 to 28 kilometers from here. So I thought I'll ride the Jupiter because it's very comfortable and I can keep all the stuff inside the bike itself. From Gulnadi Falls, we are planning to visit a place called Ottinene viewpoint. So this Ottinene viewpoint is somewhere near to Someshwara beach, near Byndoor. And we have left very early today. As you can see, the time is still 3:10 in the afternoon. So I don't know whether there will be any water in the falls because from past 2 days it's completely sunny. This will be my first motovlog on a scooty actually, so I hope it goes really well. And by the way, even though it's 3:30 in the evening, it's not too sunny. I mean, it's not cloudy also. And maybe after, I don't know for how long, maybe after 10 kilometers I need to take diversion and we need to go right. Wow, view is amazing, man. Too great. Actually, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ mountain ಸಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I don't know if the camera is able to capture it. So if you go straight, it goes to Byndoor, Bhatkala, Honnavara. So here we need to take right. Wow, the road is too great, man. So KTM ತಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ನರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ಸ್ಕೂಟಿಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾರ್ನರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I have to be very careful. Yeah, this is Konkan Railway, the track connecting Mangalore to Karwar and to Maharashtra, Goa, Mumbai. ಓಹ್, ಸಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ ವ್ಯೂ. ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಮೌಂಟೇನು, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಫಾಗ್ ಇದೆ. I think that's Western Ghats, Kodchadri, because this road goes to Kollur directly, and we know Kollur is in the foothills of Kodchadri. So actually in last November we had gone there to the top. So jeep ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ವರೆಗೆ. So they'll take you around maybe per jeep 3,000 rupees it had costed. So full top ತನಕ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. The road is very dangerous. Bike ಅಂತೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Maybe in summer season you can go, but winter rainy season ಅಂತೂ bike ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So it's very beautiful in the top. Heavy curves ಇದೆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಂತೂ. ಓಹೋ. So this is where we need to take the diversion. ಓಹೋ, ಯಪ್ಪ, ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಈ ಗಾಡಿ. I hope the road is correct in which we are traveling, because we are going for the first time. So whatever the maps is telling, we are just following that blindly. Looks like we are going into some forest and the road is also not that great. Maps ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತು, but that is wrong. So ಈ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದಲ್ಲ. It seems you have to continue in this road for another maybe 200 or 300 meters and we need to take left. So it seems we need to park bike somewhere there and we need to trek for 1 kilometer. So we didn't know this information. Let's hope the trekking will be easy. So I think this is the road we need to take. ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ. So Haguli Mahagu Parivara Devasthana. So remember this board, guys. So near this board you need to take left. This is the mud road. I think we need to go right side. The left road, I think it goes to somebody's house. I'm not sure. We are just following our instincts. Yeah, there is a small temple here. Wow, look at the view, man. Sakhadagide. Actually we were in a bit of confusion about which road to take. There were two roads, one going to the right and one going straight. Luckily we found some people and they helped us. I think we need to park here. Yeah, that's it, guys. Now we are heading back to the second destination, that is Ottinene viewpoint. And yeah, this place was too awesome. I don't know why the place is yet unexplored. It was too good actually. And I request you guys to please share this video so that it reaches as many people as possible. This is one of the best falls I have ever seen in my life. The trekking is bit tough. I was not able to show everything in the video, but it was a bit tough. But the destination was too awesome. So anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. This is 390 degrees signing off.